Founded in 2015, JUYE UAV began with drone light shows and has steadily evolved for more than a decade into an industry leader, integrating R&D, production, education, and performances. The company now employs over 10 engineers and workforce of more than 100 staff in total, with the capability to independently develop drones and teaching aids. Annual production reaches tens of thousands of drones and thousands of educational kits. Its youth training services have expanded to over 1,000 schools and institutions, training more than 300,000 young learners and driving sales of over 50,000 drones. We have executed over 2,000 drone shows worldwide, including nearly 1,000 with self-programmed sequences, achieving more than 600,000 flights with takeoff and landing success rate greater than or equal to 99% and performance success rate of 100%. Specializing in drone education and drone shows, JUYE UAV offers tailored programs for different age groups and provides various types of drone and fireworks shows for events globally, including large-scale performances, marriage proposals, weddings, opening ceremonies, and beach parties. Connecting youth through education, stirring global with performances. JUYE UAV, your partner in drone innovation.